know we'll make it right. We've been here before.
Hello and welcome to something truly special here at 97 Pine Mountain Road, Brassall. The home itself is a little bit iconic to locals because it is not only a beautiful home, but it was also the place of the original Brassall Post Office from the 1960s. The home itself sitting on over 1,700 square metres with some multiple uses, including 3 lots spread across the entire block. Of course, there's a lot of history here as well, and today we've got a rare opportunity to sit down with one of the owners, and hopefully you will see just how special this property is as well. There is literally so much to look at this property, including some beautiful historic photos that have been brought in by Zelma today, who's one of the original owners. Can you tell us a little bit about why you love this property so much, Zelma?
Well, we've lived here all our life and we love the neighbourhood. It's always been a lovely neighbourhood, and we're just hoping that someone will buy the property who will cherish it as much as we have over all these years.
What an amazing opportunity to buy a piece of history from Ipswich. If you love what you see, and I'm sure you will, call me, Facebook me, email me, virtual inspections, we just love those. But anyway, you look at this beautiful property, you just have to look at it.